All right, just a quick walk around. I'm going to zoom you out so you can kind of get some of those views there. We're up in the hills a little bit at the school. 66 Ford Mustang, taking you along for a drive. I am filming this after the initial filming of the drive. So I hope you guys like the drive. The sun is out. It's at a terrible angle. As you'll see in the video, we got the 76 Suburban with the 454 big block. I could hear it over my own car. This is just a beautiful car. Oh my gosh. Let's take you inside. Let's just see what we got going on in here. I love it. I'd like to get some of the bright work replaced and go from there. Maybe a console. I found one down in Alabama. It's a couple $100. But the cup holder's nice. The chain rattles. Chain's got to come out. That's terrible. The seatbelts in the back are kind of nasty, but they work. Color overall. Let me just back you back out here. Color overall is just beautiful. Beautiful. 14-inch wheels. Tempted to go up to a 17. Even tempted to get the kind of the GT style grille. I don't know why. And I'd love a cow hood with the ducktail spoiler out back. But let's take you for that ride. It's a beautiful car. This is my favorite part of it. The brand new steering wheel. Gauges all look nice. They all work. Just a few little things could be cleaned up. Handles replaced. That kind of stuff. But let's go for a cruise. That's what we're here for today. Alright guys, in the 66 Mustang, we are at the local school. We are going to cruise home. I'm filming again just in case the other one didn't work out. Overall car impressions, first time I hit the gas, I did not miss the 4-barrel. Not yet anyways, but peep the hat. I dig the hat. Put her down in Cruise-O-Matic. It's really weird for me to go reverse neutral, skip the next one, which is generally drive or overdrive, and then go down to the actual Cruise-O-Matic that uses all the gears. But overall, car is really nice. We've been following the Suburban. I don't know if you'll get to see it behind me or not. It's really loud. Like, that's what this car should sound like, or what a muscle car should sound like. I know when I drive that, people look and they're like, what has that deep authoritative tone? It's that orange Suburban. All right, we are going. They gotta play in the park for a little bit. I gotta film a little intro, outro. All good. Sun's really freaking bright, guys. I'm sorry. Shouldn't be in our eyes on the way home, at least. I think my glass is gonna need to be replaced in this. Dude, I like that hat. You guys probably can't see it, but I like the hat. I can't see anything, period, so. Okay, so no power steering, no power brakes, 289 2-barrels, what the story is with this car. Everything works. I think we're gonna go. Let's see how it feels when we finally get on it. Woo! I think it's got a shift kit in it, honestly. That feels really good. I really like how that car feels. And I wish this truly was my first drive. The first take may not have went well, so if that's the case and this is not my first drive, the throttle response is impressive. The speed is good. Everything about it is good. I was kind of concerned when I got a 2-barrel that I might miss the 4-barrel, and I probably do a little bit, but not enough to care to pay several $1,000s more for a 4-barrel coated car. I can buy a new intake and a 4-barrel for a lot cheaper. So if I really want to, we can make that happen. All right, we come to a stop here. We get them going, and now we start to turn. So let's get going. The handling on this is nice. The ride is nice. Despite no power steering, that is really nice as well. The brakes are a little bit lackluster. They stop you, but they don't inspire a lot of confidence when you hit the pedal. I wish they really grabbed a little bit, but you know, we're not running a disc, we're not running a power setup or anything like that. So overall, pretty smooth system, just a little bit lackluster compared to today's cars, or even the Fox body. Cruising speed, decent. Sound while cruising, decent. We are also not up to speed yet. I conversation. I don't feel like I'm yelling. The car itself, very nice having the big tires, despite the fact that I probably want to get rid of the small wheels for smaller tires and bigger wheels. So right now we've got a lot of sidewall that can soak up a lot of the bumps, the bounces, protect your rims, so to speak. But this is just not the look I have for it. Like I said before, I'd like a cowl hood and I would like a ducktail spoiler, and I'd be happy. But all the gauges work. It's pretty impressive. If you're out there looking at this, watching this video, going, man, I should get one of these, you should. The market in general is going soft. Some values are coming down despite what you see on Marketplace. This is held strong because it was already low to begin with. So if you can get out there and snag one of these, I think you'll be really, really happy with your purchase. Now the big debate, do you do an inline 6 or a V8? My vote, V8. 2-barrel, 4-barrel, whatever, get the V8. You will be very happy you did. Had a 19, I believe it was 49, I could be wrong, it was a long time ago, Ford F100, beautiful truck. I'll put a picture of it if I can find it here. Had the inline 6, did everything it could do to get up to speed, and the guy I bought this from had an inline 6 car as well. His wife liked it better because it was quieter, so that's what he kept. And he says, I'm going to miss that V8. I had to really push it just to get up the driveway. This car didn't have to, it idled right up. So little things. To me, a Mustang needs a V8. Classic one anyways, because if you don't have this sound, it's just, to me, it's not as fun. I'm sure there's still fun cars, but for me, this car does it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the ride. The view out the front is pretty. Georgia has some really, really nice green areas. Smell inside, I'm not getting a lot of exhaust here. When we stop, I smell a little bit. The heat coming through the firewall is pretty crazy, wouldn't you say? Yeah. There's a lot of heat burning up my legs. I have the heater off, but there is just a lot of heat coming in. So I don't know if I need to put some kind of a buffer zone on the firewall. I know they got that sound deadening mat, the Dynamat or whatever, that'll kill some heat and sound, but this car, I thought I might be sad with no power steering. I don't really care. It's good. It's really good. Even when you're stopped, it's good. It's a lighter car, so that helps. And you have this big, meaty steering wheel that you can just grab and use it for leverage on turning. But throttle response, amazing. Shifting, very firm, so I think this one has a kit, like I said. The power out of the 289, I really like it. I can't wait to see how it does compared to the Camaro. But with that, we'll just kind of let you guys drive along with us. It does have AM, FM, but we can't do much with that. With our one speaker, we'll get a copyright strike. The mirrors suck, but otherwise, there's a lot about this car I really like, and it's so nice that with just a little bit of work, we're running and driving. I was looking behind us, looking for a orange Suburban, but I don't see it. We lost our friend. But as I was saying in one of the clips I filmed for this, I can't remember if it's in this video or not, I would sure like to challenge myself to take every car out on in one day. I think that would be so much fun, but it would be a lot of work to get to that point. But it's one of those things you call as a goal. But so with that, we will do a little outro and we'll see you again. Woo! She gets up and goes. All right, guys. Hope you like that driving clip. Minus that door right there. Grecian bronze, Chevy orange. Beautiful color. Let's get up close on it. It is a beautiful color. Here's what it kind of looks like in the... Or do you like this? The Ford Mustang, red orange. Either way, if you can, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Whatever you want to do. You don't like the video? Tell me. You like the video? You want to see more like this? We got tons of cars. I'm thinking maybe one of these days I'm going to try to drive them all, but who knows? Let's go ahead and leave you with that picture right there as we exit out.